Everything that's waste falls in here. It is sorted, melted down and passed through acid, and then the metal is recycled. This is a pair of earrings which are called the sleepers. In the week, people very often wear just the earring, like this, and keep them on when they sleep. That's why they're called the sleepers. And on Sundays or special days, they put on the pendant on the bottom. That makes the earrings much more sophisticated and much more imposing. I start by outlining this piece. There, I've outlined it and now I'll cut it out. Here is a jeweller's saw. You always have to grease the saw a bit. The old boys used to eat licorice and grease their saws like that. I use saliva and that works extremely well. There you are, I'm going to cut. Now I'm going to make the bit at the top. Then we crimp on an end of wire which has to go quite flat. With us there's nothing but the eye for measuring. Everything is done by eye. Once it's been set up, I divide into 6. I shall cut the slots. You see, once they are cut, we can start. I started in 1944. We still had a globe in which you put a candle, like the embroiderers, which gave us a luminous halo. We're going to braid. A bottle of oxygen. There we have a rough setting, that's to say what's on top. And now we must plate it with gold, because all Provençal jewels are plated in gold on the back so they don't stain the neck. There. That's a gold plate. It's rough, blackened by the heat, by gas. Now we shall start brazing. We put little strips of silver around the edge. There, the design is brazed, and it's brazed all round. For silver, we use big saws. For gold, which is very fine, we use very fine saws. There, you have to cut right round it. The thumb is indispensable for us. It serves as a guide. It's for that reason you always see jewellers with nails that are a bit worn down, because sometimes when you can't file somewhere, you use your nail. To make a pair of earrings which resemble each other, you have to keep one pair around so you can make the other. If you do one without the other, you don't have the same hand.